Hello everybody, this is ThesSwedishTraveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? Since I said in my last video that I'm on a roll, and of course this is going to be another food review. I think it's over 310s right now. I also found this at the store. I actually found this before my trip to London over a week ago, and I just had it sitting around. But I finally found it. Well, I'm going to try it at least. It's Hammer's raspberry drink. Hammer it's a brewery here here in Sweden. Established 1904. So let's see if it will pop over. No, it doesn't. Then here we go. I must admit I kind of hate that the top stays. But I want to try it out, and I do like raspberry stuff. So cheers, man. It's a sweet raspberry actually. It isn't as tangy or superficial or manufactured raspberry taste. This one actually tastes like real raspberry. So this one is really good. Sorry about that. So if you really are in Sweden and if you find this, I can totally recommend it. Comment below what you think, like and subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.